Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So I have decided that I'm gonna start a new video today. So yeah, today is Monday and I am starting a new video for this week. So I'm not sure whether I'm gonna keep up with this consistency thing because it's the only time I post is because I have plans. So I have plans this weekend. Hold on. I have plans this weekend. So yeah, I'm starting the vlog to like have like a longer vlog and stuff. So yeah, again, I also wanna take out my nails because I've had enough of them. That's why I cut tsenana. And I also cut the other hand because I use this fingers a lot. So yeah, I get cutile, but get ones like before the end of this week I have to take them out. Like I have to take them out. So yeah, today on Anixiki, I'm just busy with something, and also when I'm done here I have to make sure that I finish what I'm doing by Wednesday, and I have to finish part part A now. It's 3 parts, so by the end of today at least part A and a half part B, and then tomorrow I feel half part B, and then it's a part C. So yeah, I had flu last week, so I'm still recovering from it. Like I have a lot of things, guys. Saturday, but I was so lazy. Like you look like all I got something at that moment, and when you not do it, and then you lose energy and stuff. So yeah, that's what happened. Again, I went to do my hair yesterday. I went to do my hair yesterday. Yeah, I decided to do like something simple. Like I don't like wow and stuff. So yeah, again guys, we don't have water. We don't have water since Saturday, and the reason is today, latest today. Guys, like like I'm asking you guys because still know you guys are a part of me. So since we last night. So yeah, that is all guys. So yeah, this week I have to go buy outfit for Saturday during the week. During this week I have to go buy an outfit. Yeah, that's that. And if I have the energy to like a bake, then I'm gonna bake, because if you see you get what's a joint. But yeah, into like I solving any day, any fast. So yeah, let me just finish doing what I'm doing here, and then when I'm done, kiloja, so that I can rest, because since I shift the laptop and I've had enough. So yeah, that is all guys. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you when I see you. Bye guys. Yes, I am done. Not like done, but I took a break. I wanna eat. I'm so hungry. So yeah, I'm making food, and then after that I'm gonna sleep. The water is still not yet big. So yeah.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck
Hi guys, welcome to another video of the vlog. I last spoke to you guys on Monday and today is Thursday. Ne? It is Thursday. So yeah, guys, like I'm really exhausted. I'm exhausted to vlog and I don't even know why I started this vlog, whereas I'm gonna be exhausted. So yeah, I'm exhausted to vlog. So yeah, I just wanted to say hi guys. So oh yeah, this coming weekend I was invited to a graduation luncheon, so I'm gonna attend that. I think I didn't tell you guys about my weekend plans, so those are my weekend plans. So yeah, I'm gonna attend that and the theme is black and gold. Oh, it's black and gold, so obvious your girl had to go and buy a new outfit. So yeah, and again I also needed a few things at Mr. Price, so this is gonna be a Mr. Price haul. I'm gonna show you guys what I got, but except for the present that I got her, or I should just attach it because it will post afterwards, but no, yeah, present, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. Again, I had a long day today. Like I had a long day today. I saw my sister today. Like the blown. I saw my sister today, guys. So yeah, I also went to to buy. I was actually looking for a cake, and I didn't find the cake that I was looking for. The cake is more so yeah. So yeah, I went to then I bought, my father needed water, I bought water. I also bought the snacks, kid popcorn, sugar, and also a hairspray for my hair because my hair is starting to get itchy. So I needed a hairspray for that. So yeah, let me just show you guys what I got, because I have to take my trouser to the tailor or abkateko fatshe. Oh. So yeah, this is gonna be a Mr. Price haul, so I'm gonna show you guys what I bought, but I'm not gonna fit the clothes. Okay. So let me not waste any time and show you guys what I got. I'm not gonna show you guys the prices. Or shall I do that? Firstly, I got this top, this black top. Today I bought it on Saturday, and this is the price. This is the price. And also, okay, this I don't need to show. Oh, these are the pants that I'm gonna wear, and I also need to go tailor them. Oh yes, let's see. Yeah, these are the pants my mom bought me, and this is the price. This is the price. So yeah, I need to take them to the tailor at Katemufati, like right now. And I also bought a few jeans for myself because that's not a jean. All my jeans are so small. Oh, I got this. That's 36. Guys, this is the jean that I got. This is the jean. I don't think it also needs to be cut. This is the first jean. Oh, I bought two jeans. I was gonna lie. And then I also bought these size 28 because nigga size 26 and size 26 I stand like on this like white leg pants. So I think I'm not gonna take them to tail because my last ones I didn't. So yeah, this is the jean that I got this color because again I wanted to wear it, got this top, and also I don't have the this color. Can I look black, like dark black, but with this color? I actually wanted gray, but the gray that they have, and eat, Sana, and eat. And then to show them. And then yeah, okay. And then I'm gonna wear this necklace. Oh, so I'm gonna wear this necklace. I didn't know which one to take, so I took this one. And yeah, I'm gonna pair this with that t-shirt that I showed you with the pants, and then I'm gonna touch it with this, and then I'm gonna wear the silver earrings because I don't like gold earrings. And I think people pair the boots because it's a little bit cold. It's cold out here. It's cold out here. So yeah, I think I'm also gonna talk to you guys Saturday. Probably, yeah, Saturday when I get ready, when I arrive. Oh, I hope I'm gonna vlog and not gonna be shy. Like guys, I still have this. Okay, this one gets amazing. I still have fear of vlogging in public, and I don't know when I am gonna overcome it, because I have to. Like I feel like people are staring me. People stay, and I'm talking so much of vlogging. So yeah, but yeah, hopefully this year, this is one of my goals. I have to overcome that fear, honestly. So yeah guys, so this is the end of the haul. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys on Saturday, hopefully, before I leave. Bye guys. Today is Saturday, and I'm still preparing myself. I have to go now. So I was trying to install my lashes, but my eyes are refusing lashes today because I don't know why, but it's whatever. So I have applied mascara. And yeah, I just wanted to vent because I wanted to put lashes so bad, but then it's fine. So yeah, I'm gonna fix my hair, do edges, and then I'm gonna wear my outfit, and then I'm leaving. Oh, I still have to pack a present, which I almost forgot. But yeah, hey, I am done. I don't know how I'm gonna show you my OOTD because I'm taking the small tripod. I don't think I'm gonna need a big one. So yeah, but theme, it's yeah, Michael Juti, yeah. So I'm just wearing, yeah, black and gold basically, and I'm carrying I'm wearing my gown again. I'm wearing my regalia again after, it's not even a month, a few weeks. But yeah, I'm leaving now. Bye guys. Talk to you when I get there, hopefully.
Every night I rush to my bed with hopes that maybe I'll get a chance to see you when I close my eyes. I'm going out of my head, lost in the fairy tale. Can you hold my hands and be my guide?
ya ka e leng ya ka nako ya bona o tla tla ho keteka letsatsi la kajeno le nna e ka Ntate Modimo a ka le blessa with all your heart desires. Ke a leboha.
Hi guys, so I just came back 30 minutes ago and I am so cold. Like what about that, guys? Like it is so cold. I don't know if it's this place, like Fish Station as a whole, it's cold, but yeah. Oh, but so I'm looking at the sticky male and I'm gonna watch the vlog. Ka frigi. In ka frigi. Hey. Obviously, I'm a teaspoon. We is it? I don't know what was it. It's a frigi. When? Hey. So yeah. No, I'm gonna rest. I'm gonna rest. And then tomorrow I have decided to bake the muffins because actually cake, but then I can't to like cake. So yeah, get the muffin. And again, we had a blast today. Like it was so fun. You guys are gonna see the videos and stuff. So I vlogged over. Yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hi guys, today is Sunday man, and I just finished bathing and washing the dishes. So I wanna bake, but then I think I'm gonna bake later on because my mom is still cooking. So I wanna give her the kitchen to herself, and then I'm gonna bake after. So yeah, I think I'm gonna close this vlog today because I extended energy, even my mood is down. I extended energy vlog. But yeah, I hope you guys do enjoy this vlog. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next vlog.
When I'm with you, oh yeah. You like the things that I like. If you don't know, you always give it a try. No one can blame me for crying when I'm without you, when I'm without you, yeah. Know you got dreams of your own, sure you got places to go, but I just want you alone, oh yeah, yeah. I know it's hard to be you, all the things you need to do, but baby, it's hard for me too. Oh yeah, yeah. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love. You say I'm one of a kind. You know, you ain't never lied. Fact is, you're one of one yourself. 'Cause you can love me like no one else. Don't get up and leave me hanging, let's just sleep today. Stay right here close to my heart and take my breath away. Let's make the most of our time. 'Cause I can love you like no one else. Mayday, Mayday, is there anybody who can help me? I don't think my heart is working lately, lately. I can hear it calling for you. Mayday, Mayday, tell me you'll come home and be my baby. I've been losing sleep, I'm going crazy, crazy. Only you could save me. Only thing I need is your love.
Where you been and where you hiding? I know you're lying. Don't you try it, no. You really shouldn't play with fire. Put it out with water. But now you're drowning. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. 'Cause I could do better. I could do better. I could do better than that. And you should know better. You should know better. You should know better than that. You're telling me I should go places. You're telling me that I'm too lazy. You are the one that is going crazy. Yeah. 'Cause you can't even hold your own. But you always know what's wrong with everyone else. How is that? You gonna have to call your friends. Tell them that you're gonna be late. 'Cause I'ma need you to explain. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying, whole lot of telling me I should be dying or be like you. But I don't wanna be like you. There's been a whole lot of trying, whole lot of crying,